We have made a utility system which tells whether the patient is infected with coronavirus or not using deep learning. As we know, the entire world is in a crisis right now because the spread of the novel coronavirus, and a lot of cities lack the necessary amount of testing kits. In such a situation, we can use this system for testing the patients. The primary technicalities used include Python, TensorFlow, and Django. We implemented DenseNet architecture over which a couple of custom layers were added and made a binary classifier model. This model, on the basis of given input feed image, will tell whether the patient has coronavirus or not based on his chest X-ray images. This model is loaded in the backend of the website, which is made using Django, and the image uploaded is fed to this model. The output of the model is displayed on the screen. So let's check the website. Here we have given some basic info about novel coronavirus and what are the common symptoms and precautions. These are some official links: Ministry of Health and Finance, World Health Organization, and official emergency contact for India. So let's test our app. First we will upload image of patient who doesn't have coronavirus. So the output is generated that patient is not infected with COVID-19. Now let's upload image of someone who is infected with COVID-19. So here it shows, unfortunately you are infected with COVID-19. So this was basically our project. We faced a couple of issues. One of them was the lack of availability of a large dataset, which is primary requirement to get very high accuracy in a deep learning model. So what we did was we used IEEE 8023 chest X-ray dataset, and we applied image augmentation over it to magnify the dataset. Also, when the uploaded image was fed to the model in the Django backend, we had to convert that image which was saved in and opened in the form of a pillow image to a NumPy array, so that the model could understand it and process over it. Lastly, we would like everyone to go through our GitHub link. This repo contains all the codes and all the technicalities related to the project.